Welcome to the Chinese Grammar Learning Series. I'm Ying. In today's session, I'm going to show you the word xiǎng and how to use it in sentences. I also will show you some typical mistakes that learners tend to make so you can avoid making them. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first function of xiǎng is used as a modal verb to express a desire or wish to do something. It's similar to the English would like. For example, 你想喝点什么? What would you like to drink? 我今天不想去公司. I don't want to go to the company today. 想 also can be used as a verb. When you use it on its own, it means to think. For example, 让我想一下. Let me think about it. 你想想这个问题怎么解决? Think about how to solve this problem. When 想 is used before a noun, it means to miss. It actually is a short word from the word 想念. For example, 你想家吗? Do you miss home? 我2年没回国了，很想我父母. I haven't returned to China for 2 years and miss my parents very much. Now, let's check out some common mistakes using this word. The first common mistake is missing out the verb after the 想 to express would like. For example, 你想午饭吗? It should be 你想吃午饭吗? Would you like to have lunch? The next mistake is mixing up with the word 要. As in my previous video, all about 要, I explained 要 it means want, but it's more resolute and is usually used for request or order, where 想 is much more milder and often to be used for would like in a more polite way. So it's wrong to say 上司想我做什么，我就做什么. It should be 上司要我做什么，我就做什么. I will do whatever the boss wants me to do. When using 想 as a verb to think, native speakers like to use it in double syllable or use it with 一下. But a lot of learners tend to use both in the same sentence, which is wrong. So here is an example. 你想想一下，我们去哪里? It should be 你想一下，我们去哪里? Or 你想想，我们去哪里? Think about where we go. Another common mistake is that learners like to apply the English meaning miss something in Chinese using 想. So as 想 is normally to miss someone, it's wrong to say 我想咖啡. It should be 我想喝咖啡 or 我想念咖啡. I miss coffee. 想 is often used with the suffixes such as 到, 起来, 出来 to indicate a result of a thinking process. So there's a common mistake using this function. 他一想什么就说什么. It should be 他一想到什么就说什么. He says as soon as something came to his mind. That's all about Xiǎng. Hope you have enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!